Komodo dragons have all the qualities to become the best hunters in the wild. They can eat very large prey such as buffalo, deer, pig. Don't take your eyes off the screen. Let's witness the brutal Komodo dragons hunting mercilessly in the wild. A poor monkey is being controlled by the Komodo dragon and fiercely biting it. Surely the monkey wouldn't be able to escape, no matter how hard he tried. It only took about 1 minute. The Komodo dragon swallowed the prey whole. Komodo dragon tried to take down a monkey. It bit hard on the monkey's neck, causing the prey to cry out in pain. When the monkey stopped breathing, the Komodo began to swallow it. The Komodo dragon has discovered a dead fish in the water. He decided to go ahead and use it at his lunch. Perhaps this is also an appetizer for the Komodo dragon, because the amount of food that Komodo dragons need to absorb is very large. Komodo dragon trying to swallow a large tilapia. Another Komodo dragon approached, as if it wanted its friend to share its prey. But it seems the Komodo dragon doesn't want that. It swallowed its prey whole after that. This goat seems to have been injured before. Seeing that, the Komodo dragon immediately dragged its prey into the bushes to bite it. The prey has no strength left to resist. The mountain goat is being brutally bitten by the Komodo dragon. With sharp crocodile-like teeth, it easily kills prey. Surely anyone who witnessed it must be goosebumps. The young buffalo is being mercilessly attacked by the Komodo dragon. The mother buffalo can only watch because this predator is extremely fierce. As a result, young buffalo had to become a hearty meal for the entire Komodo dragon herd. Two Komodo dragons are teaming up to take down a young buffalo. Due to being young, the prey could not resist these two cold-blooded assassins. A sea turtle lying on the sand is being fiercely bitten by the Komodo dragon. The Komodo dragon decided to eat the turtle's head first. Because the shell of the sea turtle was too hard, the Komodo dragon decided to leave it. This time, the Komodo dragon did not give up easily in the turtle. It crushes the turtle's shell to make it easier to eat its prey. It has finally settled in the prey in its stomach. The baby goat is trying to escape the pursuit of the Komodo dragon. Despite its large weight, the Komodo dragon's speed is very fast. After a few minutes of chasing, the goat was caught by the Komodo dragon. It begins to deliciously tear its prey. The foot of the deer was caught in the sharp teeth of the Komodo dragon. The deer struggled to escape but to no avail. After a while, it was exhausted and fell down. The Komodo dragon is a ferocious predator. The unlucky bird fell into the hands of the Komodo dragon. The Komodo dragon grips its prey tightly and shakes it vigorously. The bird finally stopped breathing, and it's swallowed by the predator soon after. The mallard didn't know the danger was coming to him. By the time it was discovered, it was too late. It was caught by the Komodo dragon, and the outcome was not unexpected. The mallard was swallowed by the Komodo dragon immediately. The wild boar is trying to use some weak strength against the Komodo dragon. However, its opponent is extremely ferocious. In the end, it still couldn't escape its fate as a meal for the Komodo dragon. The wild boar is being brutally bitten by Komodo dragon. This scene really gave people chills. The Komodo dragon is looking for its own prey. The baby shark carcass was immediately caught in its sight. It quickly approaches its prey. It didn't take long for the Komodo dragon to swallow its prey. Komodo dragons are looking for prey along the coast. A stingray was quickly caught by it. And after that, it began to swallow its prey with ease. It seems that the Komodo dragon has discovered its prey. It was the carcass of the large stingray. However, it does not make it difficult for the Komodo dragon to swallow its prey. Perhaps because the food was too limited, the two Komodo dragons bit each other. They constantly use sharp teeth to bite the opponent.